Hello and welcome to the session. Developing individuals, teams, and organizations. LO2 evaluate the ways in which performance management can support high-performance culture and commitment. How does performance management foster a high-performance culture? This video explores the role of performance management in aligning goals and enhancing commitment. Discover how effective strategies drive success and engagement. Performance management is a systematic process to enhance organizational performance. It focuses on developing individuals and teams through clear expectations and feedback. This alignment ensures that employee activities match strategic goals. Effective performance management drives sustained success. It involves goal setting, monitoring, and fostering continuous development. Clear goals align individual objectives with organizational priorities. Locke and Latham's theory supports that specific goals boost performance. At UK Versity Online, educators aim to improve student engagement. This alignment motivates and directs efforts towards strategic success. Goal setting is crucial for fostering a high-performance culture. Regular feedback helps employees improve and develop skills. Kluger and Denise's theory highlights feedback's role in enhancing performance. UK Versity Online holds quarterly sessions for educators. These sessions focus on teaching methods and student interactions. Continuous feedback is vital for sustained improvement. Formal appraisals evaluate performance against set goals. Kaplan and Norton's balanced scorecard integrates various measures. UK Versity Online conducts annual reviews using multiple feedback sources. This comprehensive approach ensures fair evaluations. Appraisals are key for recognizing achievements and guiding improvements. Recognizing high performance reinforces desired behaviors. Adams' equity theory supports fair reward systems. UK Versity Online offers bonuses and promotions for top educators. Public recognition further motivates employees. Rewards enhance commitment and drive continuous performance. Aligning individual goals with organizational objectives is crucial. It fosters a sense of purpose and direction among employees. This alignment motivates employees to excel in their roles. It ensures that their contributions impact organizational success. Goal alignment is a cornerstone of high-performance culture. Continuous feedback keeps employees engaged in their growth. Engaged employees are committed to their roles. They contribute positively to organizational culture. Development opportunities are key to maintaining engagement. A culture of engagement supports high performance. Regular evaluations promote accountability and fairness. Transparent appraisal systems build trust in management. Employees feel valued when processes are fair. This trust enhances their commitment to the organization. Accountability and transparency are vital for high-performance culture. Feedback and recognition encourage continuous improvement. Employees are motivated to enhance their performance. This pursuit of excellence drives organizational success. A culture valuing improvement fosters innovation and growth. Continuous improvement is essential for sustaining high performance. Performance management prioritizing development fosters commitment. Employees stay loyal to organizations investing in their growth. Personal and professional development is crucial for retention. Developmental focus enhances employee satisfaction. Organizations benefit from committed and skilled employees. Regular feedback creates a supportive work environment. Employees feel guided and supported in their roles. A supportive culture enhances commitment and retention. Opportunities for improvement are crucial for engagement. A nurturing environment is key to high-performance culture. UK Versity Online sets clear goals for educators. Regular feedback focuses on improving teaching methods. Annual reviews incorporate diverse metrics for fair evaluations. High performers receive recognition and rewards. These practices drive high performance and commitment. Regular feedback keeps educators engaged and motivated. Fair appraisals enhance loyalty and reduce turnover. A committed workforce ensures competitive advantage. High-performance culture attracts top talent and students. UK Versity Online maintains its edge in online education. Culture can facilitate or hinder effective performance management. A supportive culture promotes open communication and collaboration. Resistance or mistrust can obstruct performance efforts. Internal collaboration enhances feedback and shared practices. Culture is crucial for successful performance management. Collaboration enhances feedback quality and shared practices. A supportive environment encourages mutual growth. Peer reviews and team meetings foster comprehensive evaluations. Collaboration promotes a culture of continuous improvement. Effective performance management relies on internal collaboration. The developmental approach focuses on continuous growth. It separates development from punitive evaluations. Goals are set incrementally with ongoing support. Regular reviews adjust development plans as needed. This approach fosters a culture of learning and improvement. Development focuses on growth without fear of punitive actions. Meetings are distinct from formal appraisals. Structured support and clear criteria guide improvement. Incremental progress fosters a continuous improvement mindset. Developmental aims are achieved through supportive systems. Traditional 360-degree feedback and MBO have unique strengths. Continuous PM offers real-time development and flexibility. Developmental PM focuses on long-term growth. The balanced scorecard integrates multiple performance dimensions. Each approach supports high-performance culture differently. Combining elements from various approaches enhances PM. Continuous feedback and developmental focus are key. Aligning with strategic objectives ensures sustained success. Tailoring PM to organizational needs drives engagement. A robust PM system supports high-performance culture. In conclusion, evaluating the ways in which performance management supports a high-performance culture and employee commitment is essential for organizational success. Effective performance management systems align individual goals with organizational objectives, provide regular feedback, and recognize achievement. These practices encourage accountability, motivation, and continuous improvement. When applied consistently and fairly, performance management strengthens engagement, builds trust, and fosters a culture where individuals and teams are committed to achieving high standards and sustainable performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.